Hey there! I'm so glad you decided to watch this video and join me today. I am going to try to talk to you about Artistly and a neat thing that you can actually do with Artistly. So I'm going to start here at the beginning with typing in a prompt. I'm just going to kind of create a woman. From this Artistly prompt, and then we're going to try using a custom face and putting a custom face in there. So this is really cool, just as a fun thing to do, even if you don't do it in any of your business things, specifically to create a product. It's a really neat branding idea. So we're going to start with a woman with brown hair. Let's do brown shoulder length hair, brown eyes, and she is going to be sitting in a comfy chair holding a book. Okay, we're going to select the the watercolor and generate the design. Okay, when this comes up, then we're going to go in and we are going to upload a photograph. And we will add an image. Okay, so here's our image. We're going to go in and we're going to redesign it. We're going to make it private first. Then we're going to go in and we are going to, oops, okay. So we're going to go in and redesign it now. Pick watercolor again, redesign. And we are going to choose this your custom face here. We're going to upload. Let's find it. Okay, let's go to my downloads and go to my branding. I'm going to do this. Okay. Oops. That one won't work because it's too big. Hang on. Oh, I just had it. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? There it is. Okay. There we go. Now we're going to redesign it with this image. This is just really cool. You put your own face, or you can put a different face, or if you really like an image you create in that face, you can actually do it in there too. So here we go. We've put that one in there. Let's try something else. Let's try doing, this is automatically, when you put a face in there, it's automatically going to make it private for you. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go in, and I'm going to go in this one because all of them are not always going to work just right. So, okay, let's do the custom face again. Let's upload this one. And then let's redesign that one. But you can change, once you get one that the image looks pretty good, then you can go in and you can adjust it. So see, this one turned out pretty good. It's a little bit different. I didn't really care for my face on the other one. This one to me didn't look as good, which is kind of cool because you can actually kind of test out hairstyles and other stuff. My hair is actually longer like this now. It's pretty long. I did do one. Let's see if I can find it. None of those. Okay. Let's go into my branding lady. Let's go over here and I'll show you the one that I did that turned out pretty good. But it was actually, well, I thought it had it in there, but I don't. So let's take this one. I'm going to take this one and redesign it and just see. These are some that I've done that I really use for my branding, but I've never done my face with them. So let's go back in and open it, and we're going to redesign it and see what that looks like. So once you kind of come up with the right ones, then you can just play around with where you're at and all that sort of thing and see which is. I wanted to do one with a little bit shorter hairstyle, which I have actually worn my hair that length before. So now see, that one's pretty cute with my face in it. And anyway, so you can actually create some really super cool images using the custom face feature. And again, it is right over here. Thank you. I'm so glad that you were able to join me for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it and that it will be a help in your business. I use Artistly AI to create all of my artwork. If you're curious about it, I do have a link with my affiliate link down in the description box. Check it out. They have a money back guarantee for, I don't know exactly how many days. At one point, it was 30 days. So you can check it out. And if you don't like it, it doesn't work for you, you can always ask for a refund. I do have a special group on Facebook that I'd love to welcome you into if you use my affiliate link and want to learn more about how to use Artistly in your business. And I just want to thank you for watching my video. If you would, like and subscribe and leave me a comment. And I hope you have a great day. See you next time.